myself Dakshayani. I am working in Shaw Distributors Davangere. My English was not good before joining English Academy. I have faced a lot of difficulties at work due to lack of English knowledge. In my working place, I used to communicate and correspond with customers in English, but I was unable to handle them easily. One of my friends has suggested me to join English Academy. That day I joined and changed myself completely. In English Academy, I came to know how to speak, write and interact with people. I have learned not only English but also lessons of life. So, I would like to say thanks to Guru Sir and JP Sir. Thanks a lot, English Academy.